Hey guys, what's up? This is Dustin the Dragonfire coming to you with another unboxing video. Today is going to be a good video. This is a great product. I was saying visual is with technology one of my favorite things to deal with. So if you like what you see, stay tuned. And hey guys, okay, here is the unboxing portion of the video. Alright, let's go on and get into the video here. Alright. So, okay, nice packaging and everything like that. You got the product and of course the package paper and stuff like that. Let's go on and take the box out here. Alright, put that to the side here. Looks like we have a Ztcolife sport sunglasses camera. So far, it looks like you can do 4K it's HD videoing, and yeah, here's what it looks like on the bottom of the box, side, front of the box, and the other side here. The one that has a lot of specifications, you can use this for hiking, riding, running, horse riding, all kinds of things that you can wear your glasses for. Alright, let's go on and get into this box. Yeah. There's a pull tab right here. My finger in there and pull. There we go. And do that. Looks like it comes in a protective case. Nice firm case here. Fabric is not bad here. Nice firm though. The zippers look to be really good here. Nice and easy to unzip. You also got a carrying strap or wrist strap. You can carry it. All right. This is what you see when you first open the box, the case here. Let's start off with the top here. You got a charging cable, which is a micro USB micro USB. Yeah, I don't like these that much, but yeah. Okay, you get your instructions right here for it. And looks like you got a little bit of Polaroid, polarized things here. So we'll put that to the side here. I think that's probably the glasses there. All right, you got the glasses, and you got the little micro cloth you can clean the glasses, and that's what's all in the case. That's it. All right. Cable. All right, you got the glasses, extra glass. All right, let's get the unboxing here. Okay, got another one here. Put this in the box there so that won't fly out. All right, nice, good hinge, stiff hinge, not bad. All right, put that up in the box. Look like you have some areas where you can put a micro SD card in here for recording. You got your charger port here. You charge it, and Got other buttons here. Got look like an on and off. Oh, okay. Got video and Wi-Fi button there, and also you got a reset button right there. I know you guys can't see it. I'll give you pictures of it and everything else, and put up on the screen. So it's not bad quality. I will just say that. So let me take my glasses off here, put it to the side here, and try them on. All right. The nose area is not that bad here. The tightness of the arms is not that bad. It's not heavy like you think it would be. Now, probably when you are riding your bike or anything like that with a lot of bumps and stuff, you might want to have some kind of cord, strapped around the arms so it won't bounce off. Yeah, it does have tension, but yeah, so it's not bad looking. Got some shade into it, not bad. I think you can put the other lenses in, and yeah. So the other lenses goes right up in here, and yeah. So that's this unboxing video. Well, there you go, guys. Another good unboxing about these nice video glasses here. So if you'd like to get a pair, try them out. I'll leave a link in the description for you to purchase them. All right, guys, this is Dragonfire. Come see you with another good unboxing here. Give me a like, subscribe. I'll see you soon with another unboxing. Out.